How to activate your Metal Visa Debit Card on your Crypto.com app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can activate the Metal Visa Debit Card on the Crypto.com app. So you want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now after you open the Crypto.com app, tap on the card icon which you see at the bottom right corner of the screen. Make sure you have a physical card with you, by the way, because once you've applied for it and got a physical card, we have to activate it. And once you go to the card option, here you'll find this blue button that says activate my card. All we have to do is tap on the activate card button. As you do so, it will ask you to enter the CVV number, which is basically found on the back of your card. So just go ahead and just open up your card and check at the back side. You'll basically have a CVV number, which is 3 digits. So enter your CVV number, and once you do so, it says congrats, your card has been activated. Now there are basically other things that you can do. You can tap anywhere to continue, and first it will ask you to set up your PIN. Now for ATM withdrawal or POS purchase, just go ahead and set up your PIN. Once you set up your PIN, as long as your PIN is correct and you confirm it again, it will tell you that your PIN is confirmed. And that's all it takes to activate your Crypto.com Metal Visa Debit Card. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.